how to transfer money between Chase bank accounts in the application. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial on that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can start by opening up the Chase application and log into our account if we are not logged in. And from there, we can go to the pay and transfer section in the bottom of the screen. So tap on it, and once we tap on it, we can head over and initiate transfer. So we can tap on this transfer option or move money in some of the versions. Tap on it. After that is done, we can select the account we want to move the money from and the account we want to move the money to. So we can select this option of account transfers first, and there we can select it. So we have two options given, so we can just go over and select the option of transfer from. And when we do, we can select up the internal account from where we want to transfer it from. Similarly, we have transfer to option. You can select up to internal account in which you want to transfer to. Select one of those. After it is done, what we can do is we can enter up the amount that we wish to transfer and add an optional memo as well if you prefer. And we can even turn on this option of repeating. You can just go over and turn it on, and we can set up a frequency as well and transfer on what month, duration, etc. and we can schedule it out. You can just go over and do so, and once it is done, you can just go over and complete up this process by tapping on transfer. You can review or send it before doing so, and then confirm the details to complete the transaction. And once it is done, you can transfer funds between your own Chase accounts are typically installed and allowing you to access the funds immediately. You can just go over and do so and transfer the money between the Chase bank accounts in the application. You can confirm this up right here and tap on it and do done, confirm it up. Or if you want to schedule another one, you can tap on schedule another transfer and complete it up, and that's it. I can just go over and transfer money between Chase bank accounts in the app. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.